tornado. I'm filming again now. Just wanted to show someone else. That is amazing. There was a tornado in Northampton, I think it was, a few days ago. And there was one in France I heard about on the news a couple of days ago. That's 31 times zoom to give you that. Yeah, it's lost the bit that was down to the ground earlier. What's going behind that tree? That tree I'd estimate is 250, 300 metres away. The actual tornado part, I don't know, that could be a mile away over Marshall's Airport in Cambridge. Oh, look, it's just completely roped out then. Yeah, that's just faded and gone. I'll show you what cloud it's come out of. How about that? And the time is now about 6:27 PM. How about that? Wow. I'm just going to film the rest of the sky so you can see. Pointing the camcorder right up now. That's kind of to the north of me where it happened. Come round to the east. It's all very cloudy everywhere. And I have to move the camcorder. And that's what it looks like to the south. To the south there's a bit of blue sky. And about 8-9 miles south of me is Duxford, where I filmed the air show recently. So anyway, that's just so you can see what the sky was like. Amazing.